Good morning, this is the Zipper Lady, and this seems to have been the winter of a whole bunch of insulated overalls. And this is a leg zipper, so it goes all the way from the waist all the way down to the cuff, which would open both ways like this, so that he can actually step into his overalls without taking his boots off, and then zipping it down. And this one is so he can get into his pocket on his jeans, because this is the waistband. It's kind of upside down, but that's the way I work on it. And this is a size 8 metal zipper. And I have to say that I am moving more and more towards 8s and 10s for these kind of overhauls, simply because they're easier to grab the zipper pull with your gloves on. And so I ordered 2 zippers, hard to find, 42 inches long, and come to find out, one came in as a 2-way, which the end of the zipper actually stops right here. It dies into the waistband, and I just stitched over the top to keep it from coming apart. Well, I was halfway done with the next leg when I realized that this was a 1-way separating zipper as opposed to a 2-way. And so I had this aha moment, because me being lazy, I put this back together again like this, and I wondered if I could cut the box and pin off and put another head on. And so I did a test drive. And it's really simple to do. You just cut across the tape in between the teeth and off the other side. And then to make this easier, open it up just a little tiny bit, cut these teeth off. And I really don't want to hurt my scissors, so I'm doing it down towards the back. There we go. And then I work the teeth back together again. And this little darling doesn't want to go, so I'm going to cut him off. I don't know if you can see that he's out of alignment. I'm just going to cut him off. Just like that. And then I am going to put, so this is the nose, and this is the butt of the zipper head. And I want these to go down and up, so I'm going to put it on backwards on the butt. I'm feeding it over those teeth. Talking to it kindly. Pull it apart so that one tooth will open. Slide it down, voila. So now I can actually finish putting the zipper in, as opposed to having to take it out and wait for another zipper. So the moral of this story is, you can teach an old dog new tricks, especially when they're lazy. Hope you have fun today. And if you need number 8 zippers, I just ordered 100 of them. I ordered 100 1-way and 100 2-way. And then I ordered extra pulls. So if you need them, they'll be on my website, thezipperlady.com. Have fun today. Bye for now.